Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Man, I've got 2 pages of notes tonight, so I'm going to talk quick. But we've got a lot going on, as always. And I'm really impressed about the way the calendar is filling out. And it looks like we're going to top our number of events for 2024 over what we did for 2023. So let me get right into it. This weekend is going to be full. You want to go somewhere in the state? We're probably already there. We got 5 events coming up Saturday alone. So, sorry, I'm going to have to read this. This is just too much. I can't remember it all. Saturday, Jacksonville, Caffeine and Octane. Lakeland, Cars and Coffee. And then we're going to do a drive and dessert summertime ice cream social in Dunellen. And then we're going to go to Peephouse, Beamers, and Brews in Pinellas Park over there, St. Pete, Clearwater area. And then we have the Southwood Cars and Coffee up in Tallahassee. So we got the upper part of the state really cooking this weekend. It's going to be a lot of fun. Sunday, this coming Sunday, is Cars and Coffee in Naples. That's at the BMW dealership on the south side. So come be there. Big Cars and Coffee there. We'll be there. Let's see, next weekend, Saturday, June 15th, we have Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. A lot going on next weekend. They're going to, let's see, if I understand this right, there's going to be a drive to, wait a minute, the Cars and Coffee, there's going to be a June drive to somewhere in Clewiston on Saturday, June 15th. I think that's where we're going to show up at the Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers, and then FSC and Z Club combo. We're taking a drive out. So I believe that's what the plan is. I think I saw that earlier, so come see that. Then let me jump to the next page. June 29th, Milkshake Motor Madness Car Show is in Sarasota. That's a new ad on the calendar on the agenda, so go take a look at that. Get in that. That's June 29th. June 30th is the Z Fest in College Park, PA. I know there's a lot of Zers heading up that direction, so we'll get them going. And then let me jump back to the right page. I got notes everywhere, folks. It's sort of crazy. And then July is filling up fast. We get to August. August is the Legends of the Autobahn West, August 15th. And then we get into September. We're going back to with the 3rd annual Fort DeSoto Park Picnic. I'm going to be there this year. I promised everybody I'd show up for that one, and they have a blast, so I'm going to be a part of that one as well. October is the Mountain Drive. There's some other things going on in October I know have yet to hit the planning or on the planning board, but not on the calendar yet. And then as we get through with the Mountain Drive, then we're coming up to the Thanksgiving weekend, which is the Come Sail Away cruise. And I think I heard this past week, I think we're already over 20 people or 20 plus people on that cruise already. So it is starting to fill up the closer we get. People's calendars say they can go, so they're coming and going. And if you haven't seen it, check it out on the website. The price is right, and man, we're just hitting it. So a lot of things going on. Had a great time last weekend up in Sarasota at the Cars and Coffee there. Look forward to seeing a lot of folks this weekend. As I said, we have a ton of things going on. And then we go into the 4th of July break. And we know people are traveling, so events just right around that holiday week. A little thin, but we let everybody go out and do their holiday thing. And then we get back onto it. I think we already have, looks like 7, there are already 7 things on the calendar for July. So a lot of things going on. I appreciate everybody that's involved and just doing the planning and these things going on. So a lot of things happening. I'm going to be with Mary Beth on Tuesday, the 18th of June, up in Ocala, meeting with the folks at the Equestrian Center, the World Equestrian Center, seeing if we could work out some opportunities up there. We had some events there last year, so we're looking to see what we can do there with them this year. And then more to come. So it's summertime, kids are out of school. You folks be safe, traveling. The heat is really up, be safe. Drink a lot of water, drink a lot of fluids, keep yourself hydrated and all that kind of good stuff. Until I see you then, I hope to see you at the Cars and Coffee this weekend and then the next weekend in Fort Myers. So until then, have a great one, y'all. Happy motoring. Bye now.